To share your location on iPhone, you can use different methods, and let me show you a few of them. The first one, you can do this by using messages. So we have to open messages. Now pick the conversation. Right now click plus on the left bottom corner, and then you will have to go into location. So now you will have to simply turn on location. Now you will be redirected here. And as you can see, when we are here, we have to select share my location. Be sure that you turn it on, then you turn on Find My, and now you have to search for messages and select while using the application. Then go back from this one. Let's go back to the messages. And now let's repeat. Click on plus, select location, and now you can even manually drop a pin and basically send like that. And here you can find this specific location sharing. There's also another way. So you can share location by using Find My. You will have to go into settings. Then you will have to go into your Apple account at the top. Then enter for Find My. And when you are here, you can select the person that you want to share location with. So as you can see in my case, I've got my friend right here. And if you don't have friends there, so we can start by opening Contacts application. And now just pick the contact that you want to share location, scroll at the bottom and select Share My Location and select one of the following options. Then it will be viewed in your Find My settings. But also we can do this by using Apple Maps. There we go. Open them and accept all of these notifications for, notifications for location and stuff like this. Then you have to select the blue dot. So this is our specific location, right? So now when we are here, we have to simply click. And now, as you can see, we can mark our location, but also we can select here. And we can basically send this location by using following methods: airdrop, messages, mail, notes, and stuff like that.